fix. I need to fix this problem. Resolve. I need to resolve this issue. Deal with. We need to deal with this complaint. Handle. We need to handle this complaint. Try. I will try to finish the work today. Attempt. I will attempt to finish the work today. Use. You can use this tool. Utilize. You can utilize this tool. Live. They live in a small village. Reside. They reside in a small village. Show up. She showed up late. Arrive. She arrived late. Bring in. They will bring in new rules. Introduce. They will introduce new rules. Look at. Let's look at the report. Examine. Let's examine the report. Check. Please check the document. Verify. Please verify the document. Say sorry. He said sorry for the mistake. Apologize. He apologized for the mistake. Set up. They will set up a new office. Establish. They will establish a new office. Put in. She put in a lot of effort. Invest. She invested a lot of effort. Bring back. The company will bring back the product. Reintroduce. The company will reintroduce the product. Find. Scientists found a new species. Discover. Scientists discovered a new species. Go against. Your actions go against the rules. Violate. Your actions violate the rules. Build. They will build a new bridge. Construct. They will construct a new bridge. Call off. They called off the event. Cancel. They canceled the event. Talk with. I need to talk with the manager. Consult. I need to consult the manager. Help with. She helped with the project. Facilitate. She facilitated the project. Look for. They are looking for a solution. Seek. They are seeking a solution. Find out. We need to find out the cause. Determine. We need to determine the cause. Speed up. We need to speed up the process. Accelerate. We need to accelerate the process. End. They ended the contract. Terminate. They terminated the contract. Give. He gave some advice. Provide. He provided some advice. Pay back. He paid back the money. Repay. He repaid the money. Make up. They made up a story. Fabricate. They fabricated a story. Bring together. The event brings people together. Unite. The event unites people.